Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Porsche 992 GT3RS from Time Micro. Now, if you are new, make sure to drop a like and also subscribe if you are new, and make sure to turn on those notifications so you never miss an upload. But with that being said, let's jump straight into this unboxing and review. So starting us off, as standard with Time Micro, you do have the better style packaging. Now, as you can see, it does have a tiny little crease on the one side and the bottom, but that's the advantage of this packaging. It does not damage the actual model at all in any way, shape or form, unlike a sleeve packaging where that more than likely would have damaged the acrylic case itself. But here you can see the model just on the standard black base, also being numbered, and the number will be on the screen. Both of these models are numbered, obviously being the exact same car in different liveries. You can also see on the back of the boxes, or the backing of the boxes should I say, it has got both of the models as they do come as a pair. Now again, nothing special on the bases apart from the 992 GT3RS, obviously the Time Micro and the number. You can also see the Time Micro on the back of the base as well. Obviously the black base, very standard for these acrylic models, nice and simple, keeping the cost down as well, so these models don't cost too much. Now, if you have been a long time viewer or subscriber of the channel, you would know I have already unboxed the Porsche 992 GT3RS from Time Micro, and I was super impressed. And that's why I am unboxing these two variants, to show you that they have got more variations if you didn't just want the stock teal version or silver, which I did showcase before. I will leave a link to that video in the description down below if you wanted to check it out. But as you can see, this model has it having the same amount of detail with the GT3RS logo on the back, the Porsche on the spoiler in a nice carbon decal, or the carbon effect on the spoiler. You can see the paint and the decals, very nicely done, and it even has the pink seats on the interior. Here you can see that Porsche a little bit closer with the carbon effect on the canards, and also, like I say, the spoiler, all the accents, very nicely done and super subtle. You can also see the window banner, very nicely done. You can see the decals super clear. Same goes for all of the smaller decals on the side skirts. You can see super clear and very easy to read, with the paint being very well done. Now the paintwork, I did say it was applied very nicely, which the overall finish is super well done, but the application may be a little bit heavy on some of the model, losing a bit of its body lines. Now same can't be said for the Martini version. As you can see, this version is really well done. The white, as you know, is a super hard colour to get perfect, and this is very close. Hardly any speckles or dust in the actual paint itself, and it's applied super well. The red and the blue again contrast the model very well, and the colours are super close to being very correct. Obviously can't be perfectly identical for copyright reasons, but we won't get into that in this video. As you can see, the decal application could be a little bit better on the actual finish, maybe another clear coat or a different layer of clear coat on top, but overall the actual finish of the model is super well done. You can see both of them next to each other here, and they do look very good. The overall designs of the model and also the body kit, you can see, like I say, the carbon fiber spoilers, the canards, the rear tail lights as well, super well done, and even the Porsche logo on the rear is very nicely done as well. Overall these models are very good, and for the price of £22 to £25 I would highly recommend them. Now, something my camera didn't quite pick up was the fact they do have brake discs and calipers behind the wheels, which again just cement the model and the detail. Obviously no opening parts for these, which isn't really too big of an issue. As you can see, the level of detail does complement that. Obviously the Martini also having the white seats to match the white car, the Pink Pig having the pink seats to match the pink car. But I am going to wrap it up here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed, make sure to drop a like on the video, and also subscribe if you are new, and also let me know any new models you would like to review on the channel, and let me know your thoughts on these as well. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.